Good evening, YouTube family. It's about 8:30 on this beautiful Sunday evening. I'm headed out to my cousin Ghalieb, who has started a detailing business, and I'm going to get him to do my headlights for me as a starting point before we look at doing the entire car. He's been begging me to come over and let him have a go at the car and see that we get the car polished up and all bling bling. So I'm gonna head over to him and we're gonna do the headlights and maybe just the bonnet, just to see what it comes out. If this car can give any shine, if the paint is still good enough for shine ups, and see if we can make this car look good. So let's head out there over to him, and I'll pick you guys up once we start with the headlights.
A few moments later.
Ghalieb, say hello to everybody on YouTube. Huh? Say hello to everybody on YouTube. We're going to do some headlight cleanup.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So we've done the passenger headlight, or Ghalieb has done the passenger headlight. Just cutting and polishing, and we're going to do some ceramic coating on it, and then we're going to move over to this one here, and you can see how faded and yellow the lens is. So we'll get that one done and I'll show you the end result. So cutting compound on first, we're going to cut, and this is the pad we're using, a cutting pad. So we'll put that one onto the machine and we'll cut that, and I'll show you the result. You can actually see my reflection now in this lens. That is ceramic coated everything. What a difference.
One eternity later.
It's the next day after last night's little headlight detailing, and I want to show you guys what it looks like actually in the daytime. It's pretty clear and looks very good compared to what it was. Granted, this headlight does need another run with some cutting and polishing up, but that's what it looks like. So if you guys need some detailing done, or your headlights restored, polished up, whatever you want to do, I'll leave Ghalieb's details down the bottom. Do give him a shout out and support him in his new venture. He is pretty reasonable with pricing and does a very good job, as you can see. So yeah, I'll leave his details down below. Give him a shout out on WhatsApp or give him a call. If you're in the Cape Town vicinity, he does do call outs as well. So let's support local. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.